When my agents were threatened, what were you doing here? What is your job? What is your job here? You didn't enforce because my agent is threatened and he has left. This officer has...
An argument broke out between Congress candidate from Inner Manipur constituency Bimal Akhoijam and police officials after a polling official was allegedly threatened by miscreants. The incident was reported from Khyamge Heibong Makhong High School polling station in Imphal East, following which one of the polling officers was forced to leave. Akhoijam raised the issue with senior police officials, which led to the argument.
Here, when my agents were threatened, what were you doing here? What is your job? What is your job here? You didn't enforce because my agent is threatened and he has left. This officer has already complained.
And we are enforcing it.
No, you didn't. You allowed my officer, my agent to go out.
No, I didn't allow.
No, are you paid for this?
Why are you
I didn't allow.
Then did you have so many people and gunfire?
I have come here because we have got the information.
No, I am saying that the polling officer has already complained that the agent was threatened and there was a commotion here. Listen to me, there was a commotion. Are you aware of this? Why should I tell? I'm saying that the polling officers has already told me. No, I am not. You are here. Are you here? You are guarding here? Since when?
I just have come here.
So tell who's the officer here. Call him first. Who was in charge of this one?
I'm calling. I'm coordinating.
You call her because I'm telling you, just listen to me. It will be on the paper. It will be on the newspaper and I'll take your name as well.
You also have to cooperate with us, sir.
No, I am saying that you cannot go here and there by saying this. Listen, there was a commotion here. First listen to me. I am the candidate here. I am candidate. Whatever it is, listen to me. Listen to me first. Do not follow some orders and then do hanky-panky here. My name is Amuncha Bimal Akhoijam. I'm INC candidate. I teach in JNU. You understand?
Sir, we understand.
So listen to me because this officer has already complained that there was a commotion here. And how come that your officer in charge has no idea about this?
No, sir.
When the agent is thrown out and threatened, who is supposed to protect him?
Sir.
Take this complaint.
We'll take the complaint. You give us the written. Please.
But you also have to cooperate.
No, don't turn this game on me. I'm saying that I want that officer who was in charge when the commotion here is here. Did he inform you?
Sir.
That there was a commotion here. Listen, there was a commotion here. The agent was threatened and he left.
Sir.
And what happened to those security forces here? What happened? You're supposed to have a peaceful polling here.
Sir,
When the agent is being thrown out,
आप लोग इसमें ही हो ना CRPF में हो ना ठीक है.
The JNU professor, along with his wife and other family members, cast his vote earlier today at Ramlal High Secondary School in Keshamthong in Imphal West. Speaking to East Mojo, Akhoijam appealed to the people to step out of their homes and exercise their franchise rights, urging them to consider the type of government they desire for the next 5 years.
I want people to have an opportunity to vote peacefully because this is the only opportunity that citizens have to decide the fate of how the place is run, our representative, what kind of representative we elect. Because 5 years, your power is going to be handed over to someone. So one has to be very cautious and ethical. So I wish and I appeal that and I hope that the election is conducted peacefully so that everybody can exercise their right to vote. Because if you have a disruption, what you're exactly doing is depriving people of right to vote. I think so we should be more careful and I hope people will vote peacefully given the situation that we have gone through in the last 11 months or so. And I'm hoping that everybody comes out. People tend to take a little lenient attitude towards parliamentary election because this is not assembly. I think it is equally important for us to come out and vote and how the country is run. I think we should be conscious of that and I hope they come out in large number and vote.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.